I'm Travis, a co-founder here at Coursebox and the CEO, and I'm here to talk to you about gamification. So we now have leaderboards with points, badges, certificates, and more, well, including pathways. So the question often is, if I've got 10 units or courses that users have to do, how do I structure those in a way that they need to do them in a certain order, or maybe cluster them and give them a certificate at the end? What you do is grab a badge, create a badge. So just click create or edit one that's existing, upload the badge you want users to receive at the end, and then give it a title, give it some points, and type in required learning. You'll see then it creates a pathway in a certain order that learners need to do. We're adding it so that you can force that order with a prerequisite pathway sequence, or you can just leave it so they can do them in any order to attain their badge. So that's a great way to incentivize learners. The other way to do it is through certificates. So I'm just create a certificate. You can change the background. You can drag in a logo here. Let's say that's your logo. And then you can add in notes here. You can also drag in a signature. And again, a transparent PNG is best, but that's optional. You can put in additional notes here as well for the footer. Everything else is automated. So Cert 3 in Coursebox. And now I have a certificate. So I can click Manage and assign one or more of my courses that learners would need to do. And again, they can do them in any order. And when you're ready, just click X. So basically, when a learner completes the requirements of those two courses, they will get their certificate. The other thing you can do now in courses, so that's badges and certificates there. In your courses, you can actually assign points in advanced settings that a learner will get when they complete the course itself. So you can set it up so they get 10 points for each course completion, but then a badge where they get 1,000 points for actually completing the entire pathway or cluster of course units. And yeah, just click save. And all of this goes into the user leaderboard. And that's a little bit more exciting because you can, see who's winning in the leaderboard, and you can hide this item just as usual. And if you're not sure where to show and hide as a super admin, go into your settings and search for left menu. There it is, change visibility. And this is where you can hide that leaderboard and just click save. So that's it. Thank you.